Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to lock or unlock the taskbar for Windows 10 or Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. So by here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the option, locate for personalization. And under the personalization tab, you can see there are a list of the options as well. All you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list and locate for taskbar. So for Windows 10 computer or laptop, you would be able to see an option here where you can lock the taskbar. Okay? Again, for Windows 10, I'm using Windows 11 actually, but if you are using or if you are having Windows 10 laptop or PC, you would be able to see an option aligning to this lock taskbar. So in that way, you would be able to see on and off option. All you need to do is you need to turn it on. Let's say for example, this is the lock taskbar. All you need to do is you need to turn it on to lock the taskbar and turn it off to unlock the taskbar. In that way, you would be able to turn it on or lock the taskbar or turn it off to unlock the taskbar. But for Windows 11 PC, you don't have any specific setting or option where you can lock or unlock the taskbar, but you can hide or unhide it so that you can not use that if you don't want to, or you can use that if you'd like to as well. So navigate to the task behaviors where you can see taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Click this down arrow and by here, you would be able to see this first option, which is automatically hide the taskbar. All you need to do is you need to check the box, and in that way, you would be able to lock that, meaning that you won't be able to use that here in your Windows. And if you will close the settings, you won't be able to use the taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. In that way, you would be able to hide or lock it because meaning you won't be able to use that as well as here in your PC or laptop. But if you would like to unhide it, all you need to do is you need to press Windows and I key together in the keyboard to bring up your settings. And once you have bring up the settings, please navigate the same process and that is to click on the personalization. And under the personalization tab, please scroll down and locate for taskbar. So under the taskbar, you need to navigate the same process, locate for taskbar behaviors, and then check the box, which is automatically hide the taskbar. In this way, you have just unhide it or simply unlocked it because from this on, you can now use the taskbar. You can now access that here at the search box. You can go with your start icon and all of the applications that is being pinned as well as the icon here being present in the taskbar. Okay, so that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So those are the steps on how to lock or unlock the taskbar. If those steps help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.